Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore the most effective tools and techniques for time tracking, essential for improving productivity and efficiency in any organization. From digital solutions to traditional methods, these tools help companies analyze time usage, optimize processes, and make more strategic decisions. The image shows the time tracking cycle, highlighting how these solutions can identify areas for improvement and increase focus on high-value activities. If you are looking for ways to better manage time in your company, this video is for you. Digital tools for time tracking can be time management and productivity software. These applications allow recording the time spent on each task and generate detailed reports. Today, an example can be Toggl, a tool used by freelancers and companies, which facilitates the analysis of tasks that consume more time than expected. The benefit can be improved transparency in time management, allowing adjustments to increase efficiency. Tracking systems for remote teams. With the rise of telecommuting, these tools allow productivity to be monitored across different time zones. For example, Hubstaff, which includes screenshots and activity tracking, helps maintain productivity in distributed teams. The benefit gained can be flexibility and clarity in time management in remote teams. Integrations in project management platforms. Solutions such as Asana or Trello incorporate time tracking functionalities through extensions such as EverHour. The benefit obtained can be a complete view of how time is used in relation to project objectives, improving planning. Time management techniques for teams and professionals can be the Pomodoro technique. Divide time into intervals of 25 minutes of work and 5 minutes of rest. An example might be a development team using this technique to maintain focus during complex tasks. The benefit obtained can be improved concentration and reduced mental fatigue. Time blocking. Allocate specific blocks in the calendar for specific tasks, avoiding interruptions. An example might be a marketing manager setting aside an hour a day to analyze metrics without distractions. The benefit obtained can be a structured organization and better priority management. The Eisenhower Matrix. It classifies tasks in 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, among others. The benefit can be that it helps to prioritize high-impact activities and delegate tasks of lesser relevance. Advanced systems for large companies can be ERP systems with time management modules. Platforms such as SAP or Oracle integrate functions to monitor working hours and optimize shifts. An example might be a manufacturing company using SAP's time module to identify inefficiencies in production lines. The benefit gained can be a holistic view of time usage across the organization. Big data analytics for time optimization. Use large volumes of data to identify time usage patterns and improve operational efficiency. An example is Amazon, which analyzes data from its logistics centers to reduce preparation and shipping times. Time tracking, combined with the right digital tools and techniques, is key to improving efficiency and productivity. Tailoring these solutions to the specific needs of your organization will allow you to maximize their impact. If you want to implement time management tools and techniques in your company, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will design a plan tailored to your goals. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.